Hello everyone, Aya and I will present to you skin microbiome solutions based on psoriasis studies. What is the problem with psoriasis? Psoriasis is a chronic inflammatory skin disease. It affects 125 million people worldwide of any age, gender or race. It has unknown causes, has no cure, the regimen is trial and error, and it is a difficult disease to manage. So how can we get a clearer picture of what is happening to these patients? Skin microbiome metagenomics. Well, the microbial population in psoriasis patients produces inflammatory molecules, and it varies to body side. So it is important to study the individual microbial profile to understand their disease condition and severity. Now, personalized treatment based on an individual's microbial profile will offer the solutions that improve patient symptoms, lower the risk to develop psoriatic arthritis, and reduce their economic burden. We studied the microbiome of the psoriasis dataset that is available under this accession number, and we compared the healthy control group with the psoriasis group. And what we found was that a certain kind of microbial profile would emerge. We saw that certain species were evident in both groups. Other species are more abundant in one or the other group, or just one group belongs to one species only to one group or only on the other. So that led us to a few conclusions. Primarily that the skin of psoriasis patients either has more abundant pathogenic microbes, less commensal microbes, and that each body site has a different microbial profile. And that leads us to a solution that would be a probiotic cream that is based on bacteriotherapy. Now, we also know that the disease requires long-term management. So therefore, for this solution that would help the patients monitor through a monitoring app to include their skin microbiome profile and learn more through that. Now, how would it work? We take a sample of the skin microbiome. We provide them with a psoriasis microbiome profile, and depending on the skin site, the patient receives a consultation with their dermatologist to find the correct probiotic cream that fits their profile and skin site. And then they use the app to monitor the development of the treatment. Why probiotic bacteriotherapy creams? Well, firstly, our goal is to create a set of probiotic creams that would be customized to the skin microbiome of the skin sites of each patient. Now, we know that there are studies that show that the microbes can increase the immune response or decrease the abundance of pathogenic microbes. So there's active research on bacteriotherapy right now, and we're learning more how this will work on patients. But also it is a customized solution to a patient. It can be used complementary to anti-inflammatory treatment of steroids. It is not invasive and not painful. In terms of a mobile application, there are two types of applications right now for psoriasis patients. One is networking apps, which is connecting with people who have the same issue. And then we have monitoring apps. We focus on monitoring apps because we can track the skin area. We can take notes about the flare and duration and severity, and the patients can also connect with their doctor to review their data. And to this, we can add now the skin microbiome profile, which can be potentially also machine learning technology. Provide them with the updated research that is specifically related to their microbiome profile and a customized list of products that are known to work on their profile. So eventually, we have a big picture, and we can also add the gut microbiome as more research finds evidence on skin-gut microbiome axis. Now, what the plan looks like ahead is first to find those skin microbiome profiles of psoriasis patients on the literature. I collaborate with dermatologists to identify patients who belong to these profiles, create a timeline for the app development, and to identify the probiotic formulas that we need for these profiles. Collaborate with pharmaceuticals to produce the creams and start the app development, and also partner with dermatologists to start doing trials. Eventually launch beta versions and have a valuable minimum product to pitch to investors. Thank you for your time, and have a great day ahead.